Warriors of Sound, welcome back. We are now doing our guitar videos. Miss Summers is going to show you how we can easily read our guitar tablature and how easy it is to read and play the guitar to our songs. So as you can see, this is the bass, which is very similar to the drums. Now, Miss Summers, can you show what note that first note would be on the guitar?
Alright, so as we can see here, we've got, these are the same as our strings on our guitar. So we've got 1 string, 2 strings. So this this number represents which fret to put our finger on. So we go from the top, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 frets, and that number is not on the bottom line, it's on the line up. So this is our string up, so this is where we put our finger. So when we turn it round, we know it's there. So it's our 6th fret.
Can you count from the nut again?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And it's not on our biggest string, not on the very top one, but it's the one underneath.
Okay, boys and girls and parents, see, there's the first line and we go down 1. So it is the 6th fret down 1 string, which Miss Summers has got.
Number 6.
And our next, and that is a D sharp too. Okay, so the children are learning to get used to what the numbers of the frets are and relate it to the notes. What's the next note?
So now we've got a number 5 fret, so we just move our finger down 1 fret, and that's our D.
D, fantastic.
Okay. And then finally the last...
Oh, sorry, can you show the D again?
So we've got our 6th fret, so 6 down to 5.
Yep.
And now guys, there are some dots here on the side of your guitar. So we've got a dot here, so that's number 3. We've got the second dot at number 5. And another dot at number 7. So boys and girls, there are odd numbers. So we know that number 5 here, because we've got a dot on it, so that's an easy way to find it. So number 6, number 5 just next door. Okay, then our final 2 bars of this verse, we have number 3. So we go 5, 4, 3. So that's all we have to know for the verse.
And here you go.
So
You can
6.
see, so we've got 6, 5, 3,
and then we have another 3.
Awesome. Miss Summers, can you, let's play that. Here we go.
Right, so guys,
And just show them quickly how we're holding the guitar.
So
the
remember,
guitar sits nicely.
we've got a curve in our guitar that sits on our lap very nicely, and we're not going to have our arm like this. Going to have our elbow balancing or resting on the edge of the guitar there. Holding our pick just with our 2 fingers. We don't need to grip it like this, just with our 2 fingers. Now what I do, a bit of a cheat way, I just kind of, my pinky just rests on the guitar there. You guys might have smaller hands, so that might not work for you. But my pinky just rests like this, so it means that I have control, and it doesn't mean that my hand's doing this. Okay, so just rest just nicely, because we're just going to nicely pick each string. Okay?
Start with our pinky.
Now, our numbers, remember, are 6, 5, and 3. So that's quite a gap. So we're not just going to use 1 finger. Normally we just move our hands up and down. We're going to use some finger tricks. So we're going to use a couple of fingers. We've got 4 fingers to use, guys, so we're going to use them, alright?
This helps with our soloing and playing chords,
Alright.
boys and girls.
So first of all, because 6 is the highest number we've got, we're going to use our pinky, okay? So our pinky goes on 6. Then our 4th finger just goes next door to number 5. And then our 2nd finger is already up at number 3. So we just use that. So pinky on 6, 4th finger on 5, 2nd finger on 3.
And this is the easy, this is the bass and the easy guitar.
And now remember, we do
Boys and
3, but then we do another 3.
Alright, let's play along with the song, Miss Summers. Here we go. There we go.
it's okay, guys. My pinky isn't the strongest either, okay? But the more we practice, the easier it'll get. And well done.
Once more, and look how she's holding
Up
a
to
pick.
pinky.
Just hitting the one string. This is good for coordination, making sure we're getting a clear note. If it's rattling a bit, if it rattles, you know you've got to press down harder with these strings. Now the pinky might be a little bit weak because he's been watching Netflix all day, but this exercise is fantastic for strengthening each of the fingers.
And it means that we don't have to move our hand around and lose where we are, because
right.
all of our fingers have a designated fret. Okay?
And we'll finish it